Welcome to Relocating to Disney. Now, storms in Florida are an everyday kind of thing during the summer. So we've got one rolling in right now. So I'm going to step inside because when the thunder roars, you're supposed to go indoors. So I'm going to go indoors and just wait the storm out. Well, it rains every day here in Florida during the summer. Right now it's been raining, I don't know, around 5 o'clock. We get a thunderstorm that comes in, rains for up to an hour, and then it moves off. The lights will flicker, and sometimes it'll go out for a few moments and then come back on. Today's storm was a little bit unique. It had some wind associated with it, and the wind really beat the screen. You can see this panel right here has dropped. So we can repair screens that are like along the edge on the wall here. When it gets to be over top the pool, yeah, I'm not getting up there. So we're gonna have to get a professional to come in and fix that. There's a couple other ones where the whole screen isn't down. So you can see the whole thing is down here. Maybe just like an edge has come off or something. So we'll have them come and fix that as well. They typically will charge, like $100 for a square to get something like that fixed. And it's just, part of being in Florida. It's gonna rain every day, and it's gonna have a thunderstorm with it, and occasionally it's gonna have wind, and you're gonna have to go out and repair the screens. Now I have another video you can go check out where we were out repairing some screens a couple of weeks ago. It's not that tough to do, but it is kind of tough when it gets up that high. All right, that's it for today. Thank you for watching.